Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy, the Wolf of Crypto here, bringing you guys another video today. And today's going to be another Coinbase earn video. Today, we're talking about Tezos and how you guys can basically earn up to $6. Right now, Tezos has actually been doing pretty well. As you guys can see, I've already done all 3 lessons. And again, these lessons are very easy. You watch 3 videos, you learn about the cryptocurrency, and you get paid. Simple as that. If you guys have seen my previous videos where you can earn Stellar, you have a chance to still earn EOS, and I believe you still might have a chance to earn some BAT. I do know Zcash and 0x. I know you can't earn any of those anymore, but like I said, Stellar, EOS, and potentially BAT, and now you can add Tezos to that list. And they actually added another cryptocurrency that I just saw here that's a part of their earn program. It's called Orchid, and I'll definitely do a video for that one as well, so be on the lookout for that. So you come here right now, we're in the Tezos, basically kind of like lesson plan. These are the 3 lessons that you have to do. Lesson number 1 is basically what is Tezos. You kind of get an idea. It's just low level idea of what Tezos is and what it's designed to do as far as the different blockchain that they're using. You learn about Tezos banking, or I should say baking, excuse me. And then you also learn about how does Tezos upgrade itself. Once you complete after you complete all 3 lessons, you automatically get your $6. Now, the reason why it's fluctuating right now is because the market has been doing pretty well. If you come back to my portfolio, you can see that it actually got up to $7. I believe that's today around, looks like around 8 something. And then also too, I've been actually earning some staking rewards. And I had actually no idea that Coinbase was actually, or I should say, had in place a staking reward system for Tezos. So when you come to lifetime rewards, as you can see, I've actually earned on USD coin. And as you can see, I've been earning Tezos. So I've earned basically about an extra 5 cents from staking Tezos within the Coinbase platform. Now, I am thinking about withdrawing this Tezos and actually transferring it to my Atomic wallet. If you guys have seen that video, just for the fact that staking Tezos on that platform, I believe you earn 7%, if I'm not mistaken. And on here, I believe it's like 4.54%, something like that. As you can see, the staking rewards have came in end of the month, beginning of the month. As you can see, I got 2 in January, and then I got 1, I believe that was yesterday. So if you are planning on, hodling some Tezos within the Coinbase wallet, you do earn on your Tezos. So just keep that in mind. You do earn some staking rewards for holding Tezos in your wallet, and you actually earn for holding USD coin. I'm not sure what's the yield on that one. Definitely got to do some research to figure out how much you'll yield for holding USD coin. But like I said, you can earn some free Tezos. $6 right now. My portfolio balance is $6.50. Like I said, Tezos has been, like I said, it's been on the rise. Obviously, as the market in whole goes up, everything goes up with it. But that's going to really wrap it up for this video. Just wanted to give you guys another update as far as the Coinbase Earn program goes. Be on the lookout for another video that I'm going to do about Orchid and the potential earnings you can earn from that one. And again, I just want to make a reminder that you can still earn on EOS, Stellar, BAT's a potential another one. And that's it for right now. Definitely, this is something you probably want to check in. I would say a monthly basis, not weekly or anything like that, just to see if they do add a new coin where you can earn free for, just join the program, getting educated on cryptocurrency. But like I said, that's going to wrap it up for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the content. If you guys did, make sure you guys leave a thumbs up, share with your friends. And if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Make sure you guys also hit that bell to be notified for all new videos. And until next time, y'all, take care.